what are you doing? What are you doing?
What is here?
Oh, you're washing your hair? What are you using?
Over here.
Oh, I see. And some water too?
What is... Get down.
Good job. Your hair looks pretty. What were you washing out of your hair? What was it?
Dirt.
Oh, dirt. I see. Okay. You're going to play with Abby?
What your hair club? What your hair club?
Do you want her scrubbed?
Okay.
Oh, a little bit maybe. Oh,
What
nice.
is here? I got